YouTube, what's going on? I am the Almighty Wolf So Kicks 14. Welcome back to my channel. If you have not already, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more sneaker content. Today we have a pickup courtesy of the Hibbett Sports app. These are the Air Jordan 3's in the dark iris. So without being too pedantic, without being too loquacious, let's get right into the action. Let's get rid of this box. Alright, so here we have the Air Jordan 3, white, black, dark iris, size 14. I believe the retail was $200. I had $10 rewards with Hibbett, so I think after taxes and shipping, I think my final price was like $203. Let's get right into it. I'm gonna say a lot of stuff, and hopefully I don't get too long-winded, but before I get into it, I do want to say happy birthday to the late and great Kobe Bryant. Happy 8/24 to everybody, which will be Mamba Day. Whether you rank him number 1, number 2, or number 5, he's still one of the gods of this thing we love, which is basketball. So let's get right into it. Paper is paper. We're not talking about paper. So what really made me want to pick up a pair of the Air Jordan 3 in the dark iris, this is very close to the Air Jordan 3 PE that Kobe Bryant wore back in the 90s. Maybe late 90s, early 2000s. The only difference is this was gold. I believe this was gold. I think this was gold. And this may have also been gold. The purple may be similar if there had been a Concord, but I said I'm not paying $30,000 for nothing, so I'm gonna pick these up and call it a day. I did not realize this came with some type of guard for the heel tab. Leave that in there for right now. In fact, I'll leave a couple of pictures in the video to show you guys the Air Jordan 3 PE that I'm actually talking about. The QC. What can I say about the QC? The QC is decent. It doesn't look like somebody wore my shoes, but as we all know, Jordan Brand and Nike's been having some QC issues. Like you see right here, it's a little scuff right here. I don't know what that's about, but once I get done with the video, I'll probably clean it off and it'll be fine. I do like the hue of purple, and like I said before, oh, so this is actually suede. This is not leather. Let's see if we can get that focus. This is like a suede, so that's a dope touch. My complaint with most Air Jordan 3's is that they don't come with additional laces. I don't understand. Let's look at the other shoe. Not only did they not come with additional laces, but no hang tag. I would have loved to have had a Jordan 3 hang tag with this pair. Not to harp on Kobe too much, but I saw people complain about, well, Nike nor Adidas dropped anything Kobe-esque for 8/24. I think this is a great supplement. It's purple, it's white, and we've all seen that pack where it's an 8 and a 3. Nobody's paying 5 figures for a pair of shoes. Nobody that I know. Y'all shouldn't either. If somebody were to customize these and place the gold where it would need to be for them to look like his pair, I wouldn't be mad at him. In fact, I feel comfortable enough in saying that those of us who know how to customize shoes, we're doing Jordan Brand a great service by even being able to customize, because the paint job from the factory seems to be inferior to the paint jobs that we as sneaker customizers do, because we take time with each shoe to make sure that the paint job not only stays, it doesn't crack, there's no flaws in it, and it's going to look as if it came from the factory. We're paying $200 for shoes coming from the factory. They've got thumbprints in it, scuffs, chipping. I've seen a picture where somebody's box came in completely beat up like it wasn't a brand new shoe. I mean, that's just terrible. I don't know if that should be more of the blame of the sneaker store or of Jordan Brand. But either way, I think this is a dope pickup. Let's do the QC on this one as well. Stay in focus. Typical Air Jordan 3 midsole paint job. Nothing too great. Nothing to write home about. I have considered doing some type of customization to them, but I think I'm gonna leave them as is. The laces, I don't know if I'm gonna change them out. Now that I'm looking at them, I may change out the laces for a different color. I'm not gonna say because people like to bite, but yeah. What do you guys think? Do you guys think this was a decent nod to Kobe Bryant during the week of 8/24, or do you think this shoe has nothing to do with 8/24, has nothing to do with Kobe? Do you think you would rather have the PE so you wouldn't have to customize them? Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. I think I have a pair of Kobe Bryant shorts from 09 that these will pair with very nicely. So that'll probably be the on foot. Very brief, very brief. Let's see, what else do I want to talk about this shoe? I do think these are going to age very well. If you didn't get a pair, if you can get them for a decent price in the aftermarket, I would highly recommend that because, as I said before, we all don't have access to Kobe Bryant PEs. And if somebody were to paint this gold and keep the purple, I wouldn't even be mad at them, because that's a great idea, and I'm gonna leave that up to somebody else to do. I'm not gonna do it. Well, I think that's about it. I thank you guys for watching. If I left out anything, let me know. But other than that, this is a dope pickup. You know, once again, happy birthday to the late great Kobe Bryant, and happy 8/24 to everybody. I hope you wore your Kobe Bryant jersey. I hope you wore your crazy ones, your Kobe 6s, and all that good stuff. All right, now we're going to on foot. Make sure to like, comment, and sub up. We'll see you on the next video. Deuces.